Hey guys, what's up? This is Asilton Pereira and welcome back to yet another beautiful day. और आज भी हम लोग एक डिलीवरी ले रहे हैं. So today we are taking delivery of a Kia, and the car that you see in the red wraps, that is our car. So it's about 10:30 और हम लोग यहाँ पे जल्दी आए because we wanted to quickly take the car and then go home. So the car is ready under the wraps. अभी हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे. We'll do all the paperwork, and once the paperwork is done, we'll then take the delivery and I'll shoot the entire process. And I'm definitely excited for this one because वो top model. It's a top model. I won't show you the car yet, and maybe DP और thumbnail में मैं रख ही दूँगा. But let's say for now, I'll keep it under the wraps and let's go inside and check it out. So this is our car right here guys, and I'm wearing a mask. और of course इधर लोग भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो मैं ज़्यादा ज़ोर से नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ. But that's our car. That's Seltos over there, and that's one more Seltos over there. I guess they have 3 deliveries today, at least right now in the morning. And yeah, let's check out the Kia Seltos X-Line till then, because this is the latest addition in their portfolio. Okay, so this is the Seltos X-Line, and this is the model which is over the GT line. So it has this matte finish and all the red trimmings with the alloy wheels and all of the other stuff. Still, sadly, it doesn't get a panoramic sunroof. It still has the same small sunroof. So now I'm sitting inside the Kia Seltos X-Line, and it's really wonderful inside here. There are some plastic touches, but altogether it's pretty premium, and it has pedal shifters, which is of course something very exciting, and I really love that. And this X-Line comes with blue interior, which you can see with the flashlight on. It looks black if the flashlight is off. Yeah, it's wonderful. There's a proper dead pedal over there. This is your brake, it's your accelerator. Seltos badging over here. Yes, the only complaint is this small sunroof. It could have been better, but yeah, it depends on people's demand. So अगर आपको यहाँ से आइडिया आया होगा कौन सी गाड़ी है, so it's good. If not, and to it's a huge car, if you can see. और अभी रुकते हैं थोड़ी देर, सब पेपर वर्क वगैरह हम लोग कंप्लीट करेंगे, and once it is done, then we'll start to explore the vehicle. So we are waiting on my mama to arrive because he is going to take the delivery. So actually we came in a Swift and we could fit only 5 people in there, and we are 6 of them. So he is on the way, but till then I'll tell you a short story about the entire delivery experience. So Kia, for I don't know what reason, it's got crazy waiting, and thankfully we got our car in like 3.5 months. But I know a friend, like my friend, who took his delivery of his Seltos just about 15 days ago. He had done the booking in Feb, and he took the delivery in November, which is like 9 months of waiting. And all the other cars, they are getting delivered in a month or two, and I don't know why Kia is taking such a long time. They say some cheap import is taking time and things like that, but I'm not exactly sure. This is my bro who's taking the delivery of their, basically this is their first car, and we are crazy excited because बहुत ही अच्छी कार ली है. So how are you feeling today? Excited?
Yeah, very much excited.
It's been a long time, right?
Yeah, almost 3 months of waiting.
Yeah, even he was frustrated, we were frustrated, and we tried a lot of things. Like जो वेन्यू हमने बुक किया था वो हम लोग ने 10 दिन में डिलीवरी भी लिया. ओके, एंड I don't understand that Kia and Hyundai are using the same parts. Still Kia for some strange reason it's taking really long time. और मैं आपको अभी इसका ना वेटिंग का चार्ट दिखाता हूँ. just look at this. ये है waiting period on Kia Seltos, and for all the cars the minimum waiting period is 14 to 15 weeks. Okay, 14 to 15 weeks, which is like easily 3 to 4 months. And same thing goes for this one. In fact, the waiting on Sonet is much more than what it is on the Seltos, 19 to 20 weeks, which is precisely 4 to 5 months minimum. So I don't know why Kia is taking such a long time, but any which ways, our car is here, so it's totally cool. This right here is the Kia Carnival, and it has a lot of cool things. For example, the door, it opens automatically. Okay, it got the captain seats inside, and it's really extremely premium. Like हम लोग जब भी बुकिंग के लिए आए थे ये गाड़ी का, वो टाइम पे we were exploring. So this is, I guess, the mid model, top -1, and even the door closes automatically as well. So obviously I'm not doing a walk around or anything like that. These are just a quick videos, quick walkarounds. And this one has automatic gearbox, but pedals are missing on this. And of course इसमें manual option है ही नहीं. You get 3 models, and once you hop out of the car, just press this button and this thing just never gets old. The wrap is off of the other car. Okay, they are wrapping it again, but the black color, guys, it looks so good, like actually so good that what would I say, एक अलग ही like एक feel है black color में. You know, white is good, and I personally used to prefer white, but then black is, it just changes the color and the shape of your car completely. Like look at this one, even the gray, it's kind of good, the black is on another level. Well, the paperwork is now completed and the car is ready for delivery. So within like few minutes we'll start the unwrapping and we'll take the delivery. So it's going to be fun, and definitely we all are really excited. So let's see how it goes. We haven't really seen the car yet, and I mean, even if you see 1,000 cars on the road with the same color and same spec, it's still going to be a special thing when it's your own car. So that's why let's now unbox this or unwrap it and let's enjoy it. Taken the wraps off. It's Kia Sonet GT line, and we waited for it like 3.5 months, but finally it's here. So now we'll go and inspect the car properly, like all the panels of it, the interior, the accessories that we took, and once everything is verified, then we'll take the delivery from here. This is the first booting up of the car. Press the brake. Okay, and there it is in live. So the inspection is now completed and he's just doing a final wipe up and tire polishing, and yeah, that's it. So that's the new Kia in the front.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you, man.
The car is out in the sun. Looks really wonderful.